Hello, my name is Sam Tadlock, and this is my slide design project. This is the Nike ad that I chose, and it says, "It's only a crazy dream until you do it." And then it says, "Nike, just do it." This ad's message is about dreams and achievements. So let's look at some of the design elements of this ad. First one we'll talk about is alignment. The subject of this ad is a young woman who is in the center of the frame, and the text is center aligned and over top of the subject themselves. This brings the eyes directly to the middle and directly to the words. Because this ad is about a powerful message of dreams and achievement, it's important to kind of bring everyone's focus and eyes right to that message. The next section is color. Obviously this is black and white and with white text, and one of the important things about that is because it doesn't have lots of colors, it helps center the focus around the message of this ad. If there's too many colors or if it's too busy, it could possibly distract people from thinking about that statement, thinking about their dreams or their achievements, instead looking at the different colors of a photo. The next design element is typography. This is a 10 old style medium, and it's a simple and clear font. It also makes it easy to read. It's not too flashy, so it doesn't distract from the message of this ad, but it communicates it well. All right, now let's look at, this is the new ad, and let's look at a few different parts of that. It's got a lot of similarities. However, instead of a wide angle shot of a subject, it's close in, and it has a similar message about goals and achievements. Now it's a little bit different in the sense that this is a list, but just like goals and achievements can be crazy, they're also put together as lists. So let's talk about some of the design categories here. First one is alignment. Just like the original ad, this is center aligned and over the top of the subject itself. The color scheme is black and white to keep people focused not only on the words and the message of it, but not distract from it as well. The next part here is the same font type, communicating that message in a clear and concise way without distracting from the subject and the message of the ad itself. So these are this new ad is kind of can be a continuation of an existing ad campaign, but it also can be its own standalone campaign. If someone were to see both of these separate from each other, they would get the same message. However, if they would see one and then the other, they would also easily connect the two as being very similar in nature and part of the same campaign, because all of the other design elements are similar and don't distract from the message. The message is the thing that rings true to this ad campaign. Thank you very much.